Philips Smart Door Lock DDL603E-5HWS. How to change the master PIN code. The default master PIN code is 123456778. Change the default master PIN code to prevent unauthorized access. Touch the screen to light up the keypad to start. Press the number sign, then enter the master PIN code, and confirm by pressing the number sign. Press 1 to modify the master PIN code. Enter the new master PIN code, and confirm by pressing the number sign. The master PIN code can be 6 to 12 digits. Re-enter the new master PIN code, and confirm by pressing the number sign. You will hear a prompt "Succeeded" for successful change. Press the star sign several times until you exit master mode. To test the new master PIN code, while the door is in an open position, lock the door lock and then touch the screen to light up the keypad. Enter the new master PIN code and confirm by pressing the number sign.